Hello guys and welcome back. I am in Ari today on Soy 7. What we are going to do, we're going to go have a little bit of a walk around and have something to eat because I am absolutely starving. So come on guys, let's go. So the time is about 5 p.m. on a Friday afternoon. It's starting to get busy. What we're going to do, we're going to walk up there. Let's go guys. Okay, what we could do with is somewhere where we could sit down. Alright, head that way. I absolutely love this place, Ari. One day, when I'm a bit older, I'd like to live here. Really would. My kind of neighborhood. Plenty of coffee shops, plenty of food. Yeah, it's just a great bit of town. This is better than the Sukhumvit. It's just full of tourists. Yeah. Where should we go? That looks alright across there. What we'll do, we'll walk through here. And we'll check this bit out and we'll go into the market there. So I don't know if you can remember, I came here and had the Vietnamese sandwich. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. But that was very, very delicious. Not as good as what you'd get in Vietnam, but near enough. Right, let's walk. We've got a bit of loud music playing on around here. I lost my words then. Right, so look at this. You saw what I mean about food. They've got absolutely everything around here. This is a nice little spot to hang around. I don't know what I want to eat. Should we call the video looking around RE for something to eat? Oh, we've got some Japanese food there. We can have a look. Oh, I could smash a bowl of Japanese food right now. I'm gonna have to eat something soon though, so I'm pretty hungry. Should have bought my gimbal. Sorry if it's a bit bumpy. So this is the sandwiches, bami. So this is where to get the bamis, right over there. Right, out this way. Yeah, so I want to say thank you for watching and hit the like button if you want to. It helps with videos. Anyway, let's keep walking. Right, so we've got a bit of a market there. Let's go. I can smell food. My stomach's rumbling. What should we eat? Oh, there's somtam over there. How's that for a thumbnail? Anyway, let's go this way. So let's coming up to about 5:25. It seems really quiet. Very quiet. I suppose a lot of people come out later around this area. There are quite a lot of bars around here, so it's probably really busy about 9 o'clock, I think. Something smells nice. I think it's this place. It's a Mookata. I wonder how much that is. 555. Probably about 600 after tax. Oh, I'm hungry. It's going to be one of them videos where I can't find anything to eat. We can go back and eat some Japanese food. We go in here, but we have music on. YouTube doesn't like it when there's music playing. They try to give you a strike, and any money you make from your video will go to whoever's song it is. How's that for a Michelin star? Northern Thai food as well. Don't know if I want anything like that today. This place looks alright in here. Some people sat there. I don't want to point a camera, but we'll have a look at the menu. Should we go and get some Japanese food? Just like that, we're back. Can I get one of these beef bowls?
Beef?
The beef bowl?
Beef with rice.
Is it beef? Yeah. That's what I'm having. 89 baht. I'm absolutely starving and I'm really looking forward to this. And there it is. Beef, onion and rice. Let's get stuck in there. That's beautiful. It's absolutely fantastic. That. Wow. A little bit hot. The beef is done perfectly. The rice is beautiful. Onions, nice. Look at that. Look at the rice. Wow. This is a must try. If you're in Thailand and you see stuff like this, give it a go, because this is absolutely what you call comfort food. Wow. Yeah, this is a spot on this. I think you could add things to it as well. Like you can add an egg or something. I'm not really sure. But yeah, this is good. What we'll do, we'll go for a can of beer after this, I think. It is Friday. Wow. This is lovely. And the sauce has gone into the gravy, gone into the rice. Mmm. Beautiful. The rice at the bottom is really hot. Anyway, this is it. Nearly all gone. Anyway, wow, that was very nice. Very, very nice. What we'll do, we'll have a... I'll come back to that again. Anyway, let's walk to the 7-Eleven. Go and get a cold beer. What should we do there? It's got some prawns. Still alive. Anyway, this way for 7-Eleven. Go for a little bit of a walk down there. We don't have any flashing lights, so yeah. Getting up to nearly 6 o'clock now. This is the entrance for the BTS SkyTrain. If I can remember correctly, we do have a 7-Eleven right near, I'm sure it's near the entrance, but I was obviously, oh, here it is. What are we going to have today? Can you guess? Okay, and there it is, guys. Another can of Sing. And your small one today. Yeah. A bit noisy up, isn't it? Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video and the food, and if you're in the area, go and check it out. What we'll do next time, we'll walk across the road, just over there. Right across the road there, we have the Avenue. Lots of restaurants over there, so we'll check that one out next time if you subscribe and follow me. Anyway, guys, I need to go up there after this beer and get the train. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. And please remember, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you later. Adios.